Okay. Um, Good night, Mr. Pandu. Uh, I would like to ask you some question.
Yeah.
There are three topics. So the first one is study. The first question is, what do you study?
Okay. Uh, I will answer your question, but before I answer your question, let me introduce myself. My name is Pandu Singgih, and I'm from Solo, one of my district in Central Java, Indonesia. Okay, I will answer uh, your question. What do you study? I'm study in mechanical engineering in one of the best university in Indonesia. I think that.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay. Where do you study that?
I study at the one of the best university in Indonesia. Uh, the name is Diponegoro University, and the location is in Tembalang, Semarang, Central Java, Indonesia. I think that.
Okay. Why did you choose that subject?
Why I choose that subject. Being an engineer has been my dream since I was a little. When I was a child, I saw BJ Habibie. It was so very cool. As in then, I really want to become a mechanical engineer, and I want to dedicate myself as a mechanical engineer to help develop Indonesia technology so that it can compete in the world. Yes, enough.
Okay. Is it popular subject in your country?
Of course, mechanical engineering is one of many subjects that popular in Indonesia because it has a good job prospect and like a salary, so that many people choose this subject. I think that.
Okay. Do you like that subject?
Yes, I really like this subject because it's my passion, and this subject is my dream subject since I was little. So uh, I'm very like this subject.
Do you get on with your college?
Sorry,
Do you get on with your college?
I think yes. In my university, there are a lot of friendly people, so I can enjoy it. I think that.
Hello.
Yeah.
What was your first day like?
My first day, it was very hard. Yes, because this pandemic situation, I can meet uh, my friend face to face because this situation. But it's okay. Is everyone get this situation? So yes, of course we know that. I think no.
Okay. What are the main aspect of your subject?
Uh, a mechanical engineer is about a machine. It's learn about a machine and yes, etc. Yes, I think that.
If you had a change, would you change would you change subject?
Of course not, because you know this subject is my dream, so I want change that. I'm very happy to study in here with my friend, my friendly friend. Yes, I think that
Last question. Do you plan to get a job in the same field as your subject?
uh, I think yes, because the subject is my passion and I want to get a high salary, and this subject is very support me to get a high salary. So I chose to find job same field as my subject. I think enough.
Okay, that was a good answer on the part one. So let's hop on the next part. The theme is sport. Okay, can you describe a sport you would like to learn?
Okay, okay. Uh, yes, I will describe my sport. Uh, is it's one of many popular sport in the world. I believe that everyone know this sport. The name sport is football.
Okay, what equipment is needed for it?
Okay, okay. Wait a minute. I will describe what is the equipment from for this sport and the function. There are many equipment that need in football game. For example, jersey, pants, football shoes, tackle and socks, gloves, and whistle. Okay, in football, there are two teams that compete. Each team uses a different jersey and a pants. That's used to different team one and team two. Okay, then football shoes. This equipment is the most important in football game, and the function is to kicking the ball and protect of it. Okay, and then checker and sock. The function of this equipment is to protect feet from injury. Okay, then the gloves. This equipment only used by a goalkeeper to catch the ball. And the last one is whistle. Whistle only used by a referee to lead the match. Yes, I think enough.
Okay, how would you learn it?
To learn this game in my university, I joined a football club, and that came every 1 week. I think enough.
Okay, and can you explain why you would like to learn this sport?
Okay, this sport is so simple, but there are many value in this sport. For example, you can get teamwork, fair play, and etc. Yes, I think that.
Okay, so the first question is, do you think diet is important?
Okay, do you think that is important? I think, for my opinion, that is important because what? Because the first thing that people see in us is our physical. So that is needed for our good physical. I think that.
Okay. Do you know what is a balanced diet?
Okay, balanced diet means that the food you usually eat provide all the nutrients your body needs to lower your risk of developing nutrient and optimize your health long term. And then a balanced diet supplies the nutrients your body needs to work effectively. Without a balanced nutrition, our body have a low performance. I think that.
Okay. What is the typical diet of people in your country?
I think in my country there are many people use vegetarian diet, which is people only eat of vegetables and fruits without meat.
Do many people eat in restaurant in your country?
Yes, of course. Many people in my country sometimes they go eating out and go to restaurant to eat some food.
And why do some people enjoy eating out?
I think they are bored eating in their home. Yes, so they go out to find a new atmosphere. For example, in restaurant or in many place they can get a food.
So, do you know what's the difference between restaurant food and home cooked food?
I think the different are home cooked foods are healthier than restaurant food because we can control the ingredient of it. Then home cooked food can save our money. I think that, and then but the restaurant foods I think more deliciously than home cooked. I think no.
Okay, thanks for the interview. So, I think you have a good knowledge about English. So, that's it. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.